seek to paint a perfect picture. Perpetuate flows to make these motherfuckers shiver. When I deliver these criminal lyrics, I'm revealing what's in my spirit. Praying for forgiveness for sins that I committed. Paranoia creeping up, sipping liquor just to cope and down and germ smoke. Feeling it seep into my soul. Peep game from a note, you my pistol providing heat. Putting punks to a permanent sleep. Postponing pleasure, pursuing dreams to make paper. I want you to see me rise and look at what you made us. Prevent the perceptions of niggas acting like they going mad. No pinning pictures of the peace when we holding hands. Look at the man in the mirror, proceed with caution. Suicidal demons in my head wanna put me in a coffin. I'm lost in the days, feeling crossed and betrayed while my homies getting tossed in the grave. Can you relate? Blessed be those who open their eyes. No truths is easily spoken, that's lies. Enemies in fear for demise that they never met. Yet, this is life after death for me. Blessed be those who open their eyes. No truths is easily spoken, that's lies. Enemies in fear for demise that they never met. Yet, this is life after death
and
for me.
smoke the coke, but selling pain, numb senses. AK-47 make a scary jumps, drink that street soaked in blood. Souls filled with slugs. Bust a steady front, got no love for scrubs. Macking like I'm on a roll, nigga. From dope dealer to old nigga, you run up, I'll be smoking ya. Choked in blood, I get up quick, take the jewelry, stash the Uzi, and then dip. Splitting wigs ain't no thing to me. A cold heart, I won't guard this game. We're trying to maintain just one bang. The change since the 90s. Squash the beef, left the street like behind me. You couldn't kill me, still sipping on Remy. Macking on hoes, stacking the dough more than 20 years since I left. Coming back to collect your death chumps. This is life after death, punk. Blessed be those who open their eyes. No truths is easily spoken as lies. Enemies in fear for demise that they never met. Yet, this is life after death for me. Blessed be those who open their eyes. No truths is easily spoken as lies. Enemies in fear for demise that they never met. Yet, this is life after death for me.
We ain't done yet. Leaving their bodies as we arise from the ashes. Picture our last supper while lying in the casket. No love for them bastards who fueled the few to profit. We came back to take the chips that you choose to pocket, nigga.
Ain't no lawsuit stopping us. We bust some slugs at these so-called fucks that used to hustle us. Laying them down, we came for the crown. Cause all these punks need is paying them out. So Pac, tell them
I got my 4-4 ready to go loco. Have off these niggas today, it's bro codes. But I show no love, cause snakes get it where they sliver. They came at the old man and pulled the fucking trigger.
This cat P tried to get the best of me. Plotting with S to cook a beef between West and East. I cannot rest in peace if this shit ain't settled. The industry is the motherfucking devil.
Staring at the walls in this four-cornered room at night. I cannot sleep, nigga, I'm about to lose my mind. So many battlefield scars to end up behind bars for some shit I never did. Cause these bitches at my stars. I'm a thug, not a rapist. You might hate this music, but I ain't the one to blame. So let's face it, you made us this way from the cradle to the grave. And we're tired of being slaves to a system that hates us. Dictates what to think, you're spending last 80. And then you wonder why we can't trust. It's evident they keep us intoxicated and dumb. Little nigga rich for the book and put away your gun. And we might soon take the fight through the White House. Give them a piece of our mind and put their lights out. And as we walk up, they watching disgust. Cause they never give a fuck about us.
As I sit
staring at the walls in this four-cornered room.
In my four-cornered room.
And I'm counting the days.
As I sit
waiting for your call in this four-cornered room.
In my four-cornered room.
Some things don't change, it's better to let them go. Some niggas will turn and try to hurt you whenever you let them know what you go through. Get ready to go to war, keep your friends close so your enemies ain't fall. Whenever you make moves, be prepared for the worst. And if you love, be prepared to get hurt, but that's worth it. Never trust the cop or the authorities, cause they don't give a fuck about minorities. And if you got a beef to settle, throw the man's up. Unless you know this nigga's honor is something you can't trust, then bust and flee. You know the judge never spend a fucking day on these streets. Don't let your heart turn cold, little nigga, cause they don't wanna see you grow old, little nigga. And as we raise up, they watching us gust, cause they never give a fuck about us.
As I sit
staring at the walls in this four-cornered room.
In my four-cornered room.
the days.
As I sit,
Waiting for your call in this four-corner
in
game.
my four-corner groove.
And I'm counting the days.
As I sit, still sitting in my four-corner groove. Still sitting in my four-corner. As I sit, still sitting in my four-corner groove. Still sitting in my four-corner groove.
Still sitting, and I'm counting the days. Still sitting in my room.
And I'm counting the days to look back.
Thugs for life, nigga. Can't you read the signs? What you doing? Bobbing like a motherfucker stuck in your bitch. Middle finger out the window, getting fucked off. Liquor, get loaded, can't control it. Nigga, pass me the blood, let me roll it. You get the Bozak to the whole sack, that's for sure, black. Be a back to keep your dough fat. And tell me what does it take to be a G? I started with a go down, some bounce to a key. You gotta watch your backstage strap, be alert. Started as a young motherfucker doing dirt. And now I'm in the rap game like the crack game. I got enemies. Can't pretend to see my friends are not my enemies. And even thug motherfuckers wanna have fun. Stuck in bucking my motherfucking magnum. What does it take to be a G? Silence is a must, violence is a plus. Plus, shots at my adversaries, the niggas scary. Cause it's time to be buried, cause I'll be fucking in the fucking hurry. Thought for life, high till I die. Shooting crooked ass cops, let me fry. Do or die to my brothers in the penitentiary. Raise hell when them niggas mention me. Thug for life, high till I die. When them stupid ass bitches ask why. Tell them, thug for life, high till I die. When them stupid ass bitches ask why. Tell them, thug for life, high till I die. When them stupid ass bitches ask why. Tell them, thug for life, high till I die. When them stupid ass bitches ask why.